Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can cut the black handless nylon with the material. You can see the material is already placed on the machine directly on the hook. So now you go start doing the cutting now. So here we say 20 pieces in one pack. I'm going to show you, though you have already cut 12 on ground, you're going to cut the rest for you to see how it's going to be cut and separated to look like a handless small nylon. So can you continue on this? You can see that you draw it. You need to take your measurements. See, place on that machine carefully. You see that? You see that? It's cutting it. Got it? Make sure you place on the elements carefully. Now you can see how you folded it. Now you fold it twice after having 20 pieces of it. That is then you fold it again, the second time again. Then you will need to please divide it. We're going to see how it will go. Okay? Can you do the division, please? Let's see how it will look like.